Here's a podcast.ph quotable statement.
You helped GMA
Yeah.
in EDSA DOS. She got in. I remember GMA called you Anay because you went against her.
The president, I asked her, is it true that you asked Ginggona to resign as Secretary of the Foreign Affairs? Sabi niya, no, I did not. But I was asking that since you cannot be supportive of the policy of government on our foreign policy, hindi naman pwede magkakontra tayo, Tito. And at that time, the replacement was Blas Ople, Blas Ople. I said, ba't naman ganon? Maaga pa lang sinasabi na yung replacement, hindi ka pa tinatanggal. Ako kasi, I made my own comments to it. If I cannot toe the line of the administration, sabi niya, I cannot be a termite from within. I told the President, Mr. President, remember, Kako, Tito was instrumental in your installation as President of the Republic. When he went in the grounds of the Senate and issued the I accuse you. And he was with us in the movement. And you know what happened? On that next day, a resolution in the House and the Senate was made to expel him as a member of the Senate. By whom? By Blas Ople, the very person you want to replace him. Sabi ko, masakit naman po masyado yan. Pagka ganyan ang ginawa nyo, magre-resign din ako. Prinsipyo yan eh. I do not leave my comrades in the battlefield. Tito Ginggona was with me inside the jail when Proclamation 1081 was made.
You've just listened to a quotable statement from podcast.ph.